Hello everyone, and welcome back to A2Z Ozone. In this episode, we will be going over 5 different ways ozone generators can be useful in the laundry and dry cleaning industry. Do not forget to check out our website to take a look at our ozone generators and blog posts. Number 5. Disinfection of textiles. Ozone can be used to disinfect and sanitize textiles, including linens, towels, and clothing, during the laundry process. It effectively kills bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Number 4. Cold water washing. Ozone allows for effective cleaning in cold water temperatures, reducing the need for energy-intensive hot water. Number 3. Color-safe cleaning. Ozone is gentle on fabrics and is less likely to cause fading or damage to colors compared to traditional bleach or harsh chemicals. Number 2. Reduced water consumption. Ozone can help decrease the amount of water required for laundry processes, as it allows for shorter wash cycles with effective cleaning results. Number 1. Extended linen and clothing life. Ozone's gentle oxidizing action helps prevent fabric degradation over time, potentially extending the lifespan of linens, towels, and clothing. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Do not forget to subscribe and have a look at our website.